Ever wondered how you can turn a simple garden into a thriving, money-making machine? Stay tuned as I reveal how you can grow your wealth right from your backyard. Welcome to my channel, Prince Sam Official, where we turn your passions into profits and help you grow wealth in unexpected ways. I'm Prince Sam, and today, we're diving into the world of vegetable farming. Whether you're looking to start small or dreaming of acres of grain, this guide will show you how to cultivate not just crops but a flourishing business. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips for building wealth and financial freedom. 1. Start small and scale gradually. Begin with a small plot of land or even container gardening to keep initial costs low and reduce risk. As you gain experience and profits, reinvest in expanding your operation. 2. Choose high-demand, high-yield crops. Research your local market to identify which vegetables are in high demand but have limited supply. Crops like tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, and herbs often have a good return on investment. 3. Opt for organic and sustainable practices. Organic produce often sells at a premium. Use organic fertilizers, compost, and natural pest control methods to produce higher quality, eco-friendly vegetables that attract health-conscious buyers. 4. Implement efficient watering systems. Water is a critical resource, especially in farming. Invest in drip irrigation or other efficient watering systems to minimize waste and reduce costs while ensuring your crops get the water they need. 5. Soil health. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants. Regularly test your soil, add compost or manure to improve fertility, and rotate crops to prevent nutrient depletion. 6. Plan your harvest to maximize profit. Timing your harvest to coincide with peak market demand can significantly increase your profits. Know the best times to plant and harvest your crops based on your local climate and growing season. 7. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on selling fresh produce. Consider adding value by creating products like sauces, dried herbs, or vegetable-based snacks. You can also explore agritourism or offering gardening workshops. 8. Build strong relationships with buyers. Develop good relationships with local grocery stores, restaurants, and farmers markets. Consistent, high-quality produce can lead to repeat business and better pricing. 9. Leverage technology. Use apps and tools for crop planning, pest management, and market analysis. Technology can help streamline your operations, reduce costs, and improve your farm's productivity. 10. Focus on continuous learning. Farming is both an art and a science. Stay informed on the latest agricultural practices, attend workshops, and connect with other farmers to share knowledge and experiences. Consider niche. 11. Consider niche markets. Explore niche markets such as heirloom vegetables, exotic herbs, or microgreens. These can often command higher prices and attract a loyal customer base. 12. Keep an eye on costs. Track all your expenses carefully, from seeds and equipment to labor and marketing. Regularly review your budget to ensure you are staying profitable. 14. Practice sustainable farming. Not only is sustainability good for the environment, but it can also reduce costs in the long term. Practices like crop rotation, companion planting, and using natural fertilizers will keep your farm healthy and productive. 15. Join a cooperative. Consider joining a farming cooperative to pool resources, share knowledge, and access better pricing for supplies. This can also open up new markets for your produce. Starting a profitable vegetable farm is more than just planting seeds. It's about growing your financial future. With the right knowledge and dedication, you can turn a small plot of land into a thriving business. So, whether you're looking to add a side income or build a full-scale farming empire, remember, every great farm starts with just one seed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's interested in starting their own vegetable farm. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Prince Sam Official, for more insights on building wealth through practical, hands-on ventures. Prince Sam Official loves you all, and I can't wait to see you succeed. Thanks for watching.